One time.
Yay!
We did it.
You did it. Okay, we're gonna do one more, all right?
Okay.
Kissy.
Okay, this is. Ready? Good. I'm ready for more oranges to cut. I got all the ones up here.
Thank you, Gownhead.
You're welcome, Mommy. Thanks. It's dripping in my sleeve.
Uh-oh, God, roll up your sleeves.
Yeah.
What are you doing over here? Do you have your zippy flyer?
Nope. I'm going to help Brother.
You want to come see what Brother's doing?
But, can I see? Oh, this?
You want to see one? Is that seeing one?
Yeah.
Look at those muscles. Whoa. You've been getting strong from doing all those push-ups with Daddy?
Mm-hmm. Can I stop now
Sure.
and have a break?
Sure. I will take over.
Let me toss that one.
Are you going to try all of them?
Nope.
It sure looks like it. You're sampling every single orange. It smells.
This tastes good.
It does, and it smells like sunshine. Okay, you do it. You bumped your teeth? Okay, I'll give you a second kiss. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're looking forward to your breakfast, huh? Is it delicious? Mm-hmm. Good. play so loud, just like the boys. Toot toot, toot toot.
No toot toot.
Well, I hear toot toot. So good. It's really refreshing. Make a stack of another 5. Hey, is this a whole or a half? Okay, this is the word half.
Wow.
So the first time he smelled something, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this time his ears are cocked up because he's using what sense?
Listening.
Very good. And he says, I hear something, said the pokey little puppies. So every couple months, I take an entire week and I input everything that my kids are eating just so that I have peace of mind that they're getting enough of what they need. I set them up with their own chronometer account and I put in absolutely everything they eat throughout the entire day. And you can see down here how it's broken up. And when you click on this, it's broken up even further. So I can see a quick summary here of how many calories they've eaten compared to about average, how much energy, how many calories they have burned. How much protein, how many carbs, how much fat. As you can see, the protein is more than sufficient. And it gives you another summary right there. So pretty much what I need to be working on for this day is more calcium and more folate. So the next day we're going to be focusing on those. Get some more greens in our smoothies. And I love those green bars. Those green bars mean I'm doing really well. Don't want any trans fat, thankfully. There's 0 there. And if you notice, there's also 0 cholesterol in their diets, which is fantastic. So you can see here on a partially raw vegan diet, they are getting more than enough protein. This is for my eldest. His protein requirements are 19 grams a day. He got 26, so he is over how much he needs. And everything's broken down, even your omegas. And you always want your omega-3s to outbalance your omega-6. I like for them to have a higher fat ratio than I do as an adult. And it's great with chronometer because it takes that into consideration already, that this is already set for a child, a growing child. So that's what his day looked like. I'm pretty pleased with that. And then tomorrow we will compensate for anything that was lower than it should have been. And keep on going days like that. And it gives me a really great idea of how well we're doing and what we need to fix if we do need to fix anything. And it's a quick internet search to find out which foods are high in what. For example, one Brazil nut takes care of your selenium, no problem. And that's pretty easy for a kid to do. And I'd like to encourage all moms out there to get this app. It doesn't matter whether you're vegan or not, whether you're raw vegan or not. If you are even trying to make sure your kid gets enough nutrition because they're gluten intolerant, whatever it is, from a food preference to no food preference at all, keep track of what they're eating. Because we get to thinking that everything is going so great and we just don't know. Also, there are way too many moms out there that are trying to play the nutrition policeman for other moms, and they have no idea of what a full, complete nutritional diet looks like.